Your clients, when they're buying a home, they're gonna have a lot of questions when it comes to loans and financing. Instead of looking like a novice or you're not sure how to answer questions, we're gonna give you in this video questions to give to your clients that they can ask loan officers or banks. So now you're the expert and you're on offense instead of defense. Stay tuned, you're not gonna wanna miss this. We want to make sure you always look like the expert when it comes to the transaction and you're controlling the situation. We're going to give you questions that you can give to the client and then they can go to the loan officer or financing person and they can ask these questions. So again, you look like the expert. Let's jump in right now. Questions for the lender. Are you licensed by the state? How long have you been originating loans? Who do you represent, a bank, a brokerage, or finance company? What type of loans do you offer? For a reverse mortgage, who will I work with after the closing? What are the loan application approval process fees? Are you gonna hold this loan or are you gonna sell the loan? That's important. How do you keep my personal information secure? Also important. Will you sell my information? And lastly, how can I reach someone after hours? All right, the next set of questions I wanna give you is for mortgage brokers. How do you get paid? How much will you get paid on this loan? And who are the top lenders that purchase the loan applications from you? The next thing is questions about loan rates. What interest rate are you offering and how did you arrive at that number? Is this the best rate you can provide me or give me? That's a huge one. Make sure they ask that. How will the rate change over the life of the loan? Can you explain an ARM? ARMs are coming back, especially with the interest rates today, so make sure they talk about that. What is the highest my ARM rate can go, and how long will my lock last, and what does that lock actually cost me? The next one is questions about loan costs. Will you give me a fee sheet or an estimated funds of closing? Will you explain my good faith estimate? What am I paying in points? What are my monthly payments? Do I need to pay PMI? Are there any repayment penalties on this loan? How long will this loan take to close? You want to make sure you provide your clients with questions. You want to look like the expert. So take some of these questions, write them down, steal them, and start getting them to your clients so you look like the expert, not the other way around on defense. I'm Colby Sway with Inspiring Agent. Thanks for stopping by. Subscribe, like, and you're going to see us again very soon for a video.